Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. The question is if the next rally lies ahead of us, if the price is preparing here for the next move to the upside, which would be in our white scenario a C wave rally. I don't want to make it very complicated here. This chart is a bit of a mess. It's just moving sideways at the moment. We talked about possibility of a sideways triangle here, but it's not really possible given that this move up was a little bit too high for a triangle. Here, this move up in September, but it's all just corrective. So we're just simply moving in a sideways correction, and it hasn't committed yet to a move up or a move down. So we're simply moving sideways, and it's important to just be aware of the relevant levels. So the idea is at the moment that a larger degree X wave of a correction finished here in July, and then from there we started the move up in wave Y. Okay, so the idea is this is a WXY structure. The Y wave to the upside is now unfolding, and the Y wave is an ABC structure. That's the current idea, that's the thesis. So let me just delete that. So the idea would be we're moving up in an ABC structure. This is an A wave, which is an ABC structure in itself. Then there should be a B wave pullback and a C wave rally to come. So the ABC structure is what we're focusing on, but at the moment within that ABC structure, just the A wave, which in itself is an ABC. And there are different ways, how this could be labeled. It is really not easy to figure out what exactly is going on here because there are, let's say, quite a few different potentials that we can actually track. So one idea I had was that, if we're really in this A wave, and oops, 1 second, just want to delete that, and this A wave is an ABC structure itself, then, it is technically possible that it's a triangle. Okay, so this B wave somehow could be a triangle. Another idea I had was this: A wave down, B wave up, C wave down. And the C wave would ideally reach the 100% extension at 45 cents, but it's not unheard of that a C wave reaches only the 78.6 extension at 48.9 cents. And I have to say, we've been watching for a 5-wave decline, and this actually materialized. We have a 5-wave move down and it reached the support area. So what I'm doing now, I'm watching for a possible upside reaction that would tell me that this white B wave is finished and the C wave to the upside has started. The C wave up would be a 5-wave pattern. And it is possible the B wave has finished. It's just not reliable because we haven't reached the 100% extension. It could easily still reach that at 45 cents. By the way, the 45-cent level should be really strong support, because it's the 100% extension of the internal structure here. But if I go to the XRP long-term chart, and as a member you have access to these charts like 24/7, the Tradingview live charts, actually you can even copy them, make them your own. Here, the 45-cent level is here on the larger time frame, on the larger degree chart. The 61.8 retracement, one of the most important Fibonacci retracement and support levels. So there should be some really good support in that region. But at the moment, we're just moving sideways, and the reaction to that last swing low here on Friday hasn't really been substantial. So while I am watching here for an upside reaction, it's not yet clearly bullish, and it hasn't clearly started the C wave to the upside yet. So I'm just watching it. First indication that we are going higher would be a break above the last high at 56.6 cents. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.